What's up? It's your girl Nemo, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Right off the bat, apologies for the probably not so great lighting. A surge protector I had my mirror plugged into, which usually lights me up a lot better, went out last night when I was blow drying my hair, so so much for that surge protector. And also, that means I'm having to use a circle light, and so I'm using the tripod on that. The angle is a little bit different as well, so if this video feels a little bit off, that's because it is. Also, I just woke up like 5 or 10 minutes ago, so I'm still kind of waking up, but I don't want to go to work with my hair looking all dingy like this. I did do a color remover last night. I used the BTZ color remover with water as per usual, and this angle is just atrocious, isn't it? And this is how it came out. It's very dingy. That's the best way I can say it. It's kind of a bluey, greeny, gross mess, and I hate it. What I'm gonna do to hopefully color correct this in some way, or at least make it look alright. It's all on, and I'm gonna let this sit for maybe like 20 or 30 minutes today because, like I said, I do have to go to work today, and I probably should have woke up a little bit earlier to film this video, but it is what it is. Let this sit, blow dry, get ready for work, and I'll come back to show you the results. Bathroom update, because my neighbor next door is doing a lot of work, plus the lighting really sucks this time of the morning. But anyway, here it is, and it pretty much worked. I really kind of like how it came out. It looks nice. I'm a little concerned about how it's gonna fade. It fades to a nice like blonde color, like strawberry blonde maybe. and not go back to that bluey, greeny, and maybe even look worse than before. So that remains to be seen. But yeah, that's it. Oh, I really like this color. I think it's pretty. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And it's a free way to support my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.